Hi, this is Mark from Lawnmower Small Engine. Today we're working on a Dixon zero-turn lawnmower. It has electrical problems. First, they thought it was the battery. I just got done testing the battery. The battery's dead, so we're gonna put a new battery in there, and we're gonna go ahead and check all the wire connections and stuff. So, hope you enjoy it. Okay, to do this testing on it is pretty simple. Like 90% of all zero turns are pretty much all the same. So when you have your levers out, there's a safety switch here and a safety switch there. When you pull it in, that breaks the current. The power goes from the battery to the key switch. Then from the key switch, it goes right through the safety switch. Then it goes to the other safety switch. And there's one on the blades too, so there's 4 safety switches with the seat, but a lot of them, as long as you have the brake on, you don't need to be sitting on it. But there are some you have to be sitting on it for it to start. But this one you don't have to. You got to make sure both levers are out. The brake's on. There's a safety switch here too, and the power. This one here, it goes from the key switch to the brake, to that lever, over to that lever, then to the blade, then it goes down to the solenoid. And once power gets the solenoid, then it'll kick the starter in and it'll start. So we put a new battery in it. You can see there's juice going through the battery. So first things to do is we come over here. As you can power is going to that one. Turn the key on and the test light will come on. So we got power going to the brake one. Now we're gonna go this safety switch right here. That's the next one. So the light comes on. So we got power going to that one too. See, if I push that lever in, it won't go off. See how the test light goes on? So we got power going to that one. So now we're going to go over to the safety switch on the other side. A lot of times this stuff won't work, and if you live in a humid environment, the spades on there can corrode. Or there's a lot of mice. If you live on a farm or out in the country, there's a lot of mice. They like chewing wires. See, that one works too. So we got power going over there, but there's no power going to your solenoid. So the only one left is the blade one. And a lot of these lawnmowers are PTO clutch. And that's all on the switch, but this one's not like that. This is a manual one. And the safety switch is right down here. So I'll stick it on here. And we got nothing. So between this safety switch and that safety switch down here, we either got a broken wire or some corrosion. So I'll get the flashlight and we'll check that out. A little corrosion on this. Got a wire brush and clean the spade off a little bit here. Push it on there. Now, we got power going to the solenoid now. With that clicking sound, that means the solenoid is bad. So what we gotta do now, see, here's the, and you can see that it got hot, the plastic's melting, especially on that one there. So, to replace that, we got to unhook the battery. You don't want part of it. We're going to take off these two, and we're going to put a new solenoid on there and see how that goes. So, I'm going to disconnect the battery now. Okay, we got the battery disconnected. So, take them off. And on the hot side of the solenoid, there's two wires. One's that goes to the starter, then the other one that goes up to your key switch. Because you have to have power going to the key switch to do that testing on what we did. Let's see how hot that got. It even turned the color of that, so. We got a tight fit here. Okay. And this wire here, that's for your ground, so we make sure we put that one back on for your ground. Okay, we got a new one here. This one's a universal mount. Make sure that ground wire's on there. Okay, then we're on there nice and snug. So on this side here, on the hot side, we got them 2 wires. That one's for your key switch. And this one's for your battery. I think the other one fell on the floor, I believe. Okay, and this side here, this is for your starter. Okay, now I gotta hook the battery back up and we'll give her a try. Okay, we got the battery hooked up. And the brakes on, levers are out. Got our new solenoid. Make sure you plug the spade in on the solenoid and there we go. Okay, this thing has sat for a while, so I put gas in there and it's not going to start. But anyways, on zero turns, the wiring's pretty simple. Just got to start from the beginning and just follow it around. Like the safety switches, they're there for a reason, so people don't get hurt. But once you got the power going through everything, it'll go around everything into the solenoid, into the starter, and it'll spin the motor. Anyways, I hope this will help you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Have a good afternoon. Hi, this is Mark from L&M Small Engine. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Thanks.